Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 31 in IQdungeon. So to do it, first you need to get the sleeping monster, then move your with your finger move your screen to the left a bit, then get the goblin with a warrior, move rocks like this, and then lift the sword like this, then move the sword to the right to the statue and point it about here. Then move to the right, get the slime with the archer like this, and move the head to its position as well. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.